short ribs with egg noodles. And short ribs are one of those things that I actually think when you make the day you make it, I actually think the next day it's actually better, but it's still pretty fabulous. It's still pretty fabulous the first day. And this is from my family's cookbook, The Family That Cooks Together. It was written by my two daughters, Madeline and Anna, along with my wife. I really had very little to do with this.
Show. Yes.
Yes, they used my name and my likeness, and that's about it, right? So, and I tasted a few things, but that's what I did. That was my contribution. So I'm going to start here by showing you all these fabulous ingredients, and I'm going to just show you the first thing you really need is to get good ribs, right? Now you love short ribs, I know you do. I'm just going to show you this.
I do.
These are about an inch by an inch, right? And they're gorgeous. You want them with the bone, Rach, because it keeps the structure intact. It also is when we serve it, you'll understand it's this, you really get a sense of like abundanza. This is like great family meal kind of stuff. And the extravagance comes at the serving table. And so that's why I love it like this. So we salt and pepper it. You can't put enough salt and pepper on it because they're big giant ones, and some fat. And this is what they look like, Rach. You get them like this. They're nice and brown. You can see that. I hold them up.
Gorgeous.
Really nicely colored all over. Okay. And then we go to our magical, what's magical? It's leeks, carrots, and onions. Very simple cut. It's a very simple recipe. There's not a lot of ingredients. Everything comes from, the market. It's nothing extravagant here. Very simple. We're just going to take a pan and we're going to saute these in some oil. And we just want to like soften them up. We don't want to like fry them. They're just going to soften them up, get them nice and sizzle about, say, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. The key here is
sweat them in a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, you want to get them soft. You want them like to release their juice, right? All right, so we're just going to do that here. And when I shake it a bit and put it aside, because I have one that's already done. And if you get like a tight shot in there, you can see how nice and soft it is, right? You see how nice and soft that is? Everything is sort of just relaxed, laid back, giving up its beautiful juice. The carrots and the leeks are very sweet. And then in goes we call these aromatics. So an aromatic is anything that gives extra flavor. So here we have a head of garlic, coriander, pepper, a good amount of rosemary and thyme. We're going to pull those out after everything's done. We're going to stir, 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 and then just a few minutes, and then we're going to add my second favorite ingredient in the kitchen, wine. Okay? A nice glug or two of red wine. You can put, by the way, the entire thing red wine, but I've done it both ways. I find that half red wine and half stock really is the best.
I agree.
I think what it is, Rachel, is this stock carries a lot of gelatin. There's a ton of gelatin here, but it actually needs more so that it's going to go in the oven for a good 3 hours. And by the way, your oven's at 300 degrees. This is low and slow.
Low and
wins
slow,
the race here. Low and slow. Okay, so we're going to put some stock in here. And then all I like to do is I don't like to put an excessive amount of stock. I think you put these babies right in, like bone side up, and you nestle them in there. They're like going to be kind of tight and crowded, but once they cook, they sort of like shrink a bit. And you want them about just to cover, barely to cover. You don't want it. It's not.
Just to get right up to the edge. I gotcha.
When it goes in the oven at 300 degrees for a good 3 hours, and you want it so it falls apart. I'm going to show you this now. If you can just get in there and take a look at that. You see how everything is just sort of given up. The vegetables have given up their juice and their sweetness. They're still in there. The rib pieces of rib are really, really fall off the bone tender. And I am going to show you exactly what it is. So a big bowl of gorgeous egg noodles. One of my favorite things in the world. So you can see this beautiful hot, and if there's a little bit of herb left over, don't worry about it. Look at this. Come on. That goes to the table. Everything we do here in this family is because that we do it family style. And we just look at that. I mean, the sauce is made. You don't have butter in this. There's no butter. There's no extra gelatin. There's no flour. There's no cornstarch. Nothing. And some really, really expensive chopped parsley on top.